It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Wednesday, the 15th of March. I'm Michael Groff. Dry and warm weather will continue here for the next several days. Near record high temperatures possible this weekend, but then a cool down coming next week, possibly accompanied by some rain. Let's talk about it as we look outside this morning. Some clouds in the valley right now at 8:35 a.m. 70 degrees already at Sky Harbor. Dew point at 39, relative humidity 33%. The wind from the east-southeast at 8. The barometer is steady. Temperatures across the area right now, 47 at Fort McDowell. I think that's probably about an hour old or so. Elsewhere, 50s and 60s, even a couple of lower 70s popping up. Some clouds moving across the state right now in association with a weak short wave that we'll talk about momentarily. On the watch warning map, most of the action in the east. Those dark blue, I believe that's dark slate blue they call that. Those are freeze warnings for much of the Mississippi Valley, Tennessee Valley, and deep south. Also, some winter weather advisories and winter storm warnings continue in the northeast with a departing winter storm system there that dropped as much as 30 inches of snow in spots the last day or so. On the convective outlook, no organized areas of severe weather and, in fact, no thunder anywhere across the contiguous United States today. So let's check out what's going on with our weather as we'll look at the models. This is the GFS, the 06Z run, valid at 5 o'clock Mountain Standard Time today. There's a weak short wave moving across the area. Some high clouds today. Not much of an impact in our weather otherwise. Maybe a degree or two cooler than yesterday. So with partly sunny skies, we'll climb into the upper 80s and lower 90s. Tonight, a few clouds around. Mild. Lows mid-50s to mid-60s. Tomorrow, a few clouds, otherwise mostly sunny. High temps again upper 80s and low 90s. For Friday, St. Patrick's Day. High pressure building back in pretty strong across the area. Low and middle 90s in the sky, mostly sunny. We're sunny on Saturday, very warm, highs in the mid-90s. I think we will break our record high on Saturday with a temperature getting up to 95, according to the latest GFS. Sunday, we might cool it off just a couple of degrees as the high-pressure area begins to weaken and shift off to the east in response to developing troughing well off the west coast. Still, it will be warm with highs in the low 90s, and we might still break that record with a forecast high of about 93 on Sunday. Monday, clouds on the increase. The high moves off to the east, continues to weaken. Temps fall back into the mid and upper 80s with partly sunny skies. And then on Tuesday, a trough going negative tilt as it comes toward the west coast. Surface low off the northern California coast. Rain extends south and east from there into southern California, southern Nevada, western Arizona. I think by late Tuesday night into Wednesday, we have a chance of showers coming in here. So we'll see about that. Now, the GFS is the most aggressive on rainfall. The other models, the European, the Canadian, far less bullish. Many of the ensembles are sort of in the middle. So we'll see. But for now, there is at least the smallest possibility. I think what's widely agreed upon is that we'll see much cooler temperatures. Highs on Tuesday, again, low and middle 80s. Here's a week from today, Wednesday, March 22nd. Negative tilt trough coming into the southwest. Possibility of some rain if this verifies. But the big story will be the cooler weather. The latest GFS has us at 67 next Wednesday. I don't think it's going to get that cold. But highs getting back into the low and middle 70s seems very possible. Then this is Thursday, March 23rd. Westerly flow, slightly warmer temperatures back toward the mid and possibly upper 70s. And then this is the end of the forecast period. Friday, March 24th, kind of interesting here. Another trough taking aim at the west. And this could, again, signal some more unsettled weather way out beyond the end of the forecast period here. But clouds would be on the increase and temperatures would be held in check. Would be in the mid and upper 70s. Speaking of temps, let's look at those off the GFS ensemble through the period. We'll keep it very warm for the next several days and then the cool down next week. Temps might end up being lower than this, but we'll just have to see. The GFS is the most aggressive on the cooling. The other models a little less so, and they don't show very much precipitation. It's plenty of time for all that to work itself out. And that'll do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. Our next video back here tomorrow morning. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great Wednesday.